Welcome to Happiness with Hema. This video is short and brief information about sunscreen, how to apply, how to blend, what to avoid and what to pay attention to. These are few important burning questions which if we know, it can be a game changer. This one was my Insta reel which I created and was extremely appreciated by my Insta family. And it's my little initiative to let you know which I wish I knew when I was a teenager. And I've been requested to make a little longer version and detailed version which I am happy to share because sunscreen is the top one important thing for your anti-aging. Remember to use sunscreen every day and do not stand in the sun for more than 4 hours. And now let's start with the step number 1. So step number 1 is very important, that apply a generous and uniform layer. There are different ways to apply and settle down sunscreen, out of which the most common is 3-finger rule, but my way is making a big cross like this, because this way you are applying right and correct generous amount to your face. After placing the product, important step is to distribute and apply uniform layer. After all, we want a generous uniform layer for effective protection, right? While distributing your product, remember using only your fingertips, because applying product with palms generally should be avoided for the fact that the palm itself absorbs so much product away, and we don't want that to happen with sunscreen. While most of us don't apply enough quantity and surely don't reapply, so we will try to get most out of it and correct our habit how to apply sunscreen. And now move to step 2. Step 2 is don't rub and blend. Wait for 2 minutes. Let it dry a little bit on your face. And now after 2 minutes, step number 3. Blend the harsh lines. With the help of your fingertips, press gently and firmly. Remember not to use your palm at all, as it is going to absorb all your product and you don't want that. So use fingertips and gently in a dabbing motion and let your skin drink the whole product and absorb every bit of your sunscreen. And this is how we can protect our skin for longer time. So let's do one quick recap. How to blend sunscreen. Step 1. Apply generous and uniform layer, only using fingertips, or else the palm skin can absorb lot of product. Step 2. Don't rub or blend, let it dry for 2 minutes. Step 3. Blend harsh lines with your fingertips. Gentle reminder, only use fingertips in a dabbing motion, avoiding contact with palm. I hope this was helpful. Do let me know what you want to know next. Do subscribe, like and share, and I'll meet you soon with some another video. Take care, stay happy, stay beautiful.